The simulation account is a feature that allows you to send buy and sell orders, test your strategies, and understand the dynamics of the cryptocurrency market in a simulated environment. The simulation account is for any vector tool. In this example, we will use a couple of tools that are widely used among traders, one being SuperDOM on the left and chart trading on the right. Notice that in the accounting field, the simulation account is highlighted in the purple stripe. It's quite simple to send orders through SuperDOM. First, select the simulation account if you haven't already. On the left, we send buy orders, and on the right side, we send sell orders. Then, press the Control key and click with the left mouse button to send orders. To edit an order, you can select it with the left mouse button and drag it to the new price level that you want. To cancel an order, simply click on the red button with an X. Now, in chart trading, you can send buy orders by holding down the Shift key and send sell orders by holding down the Alt key. Hold down the Shift key, select the price level that you want to post the order to, and submit by left-clicking on the chart. You can do the same process for sell orders by holding down the Alt key. The simulator account is an important tool for those who are starting out with the cryptocurrency market. With it, you can analyze cryptocurrency price movements, use powerful indicators, and conduct studies to understand how the cryptocurrency market works. And the best part? You don't have to take unnecessary risks to test out your strategies. Use a simulator account to better understand how the cryptocurrency market works. Test your strategies in a safe environment and learn more about the powerful tools available on the Vector platform. If you have any more questions, check out our Vector Guide playlist, or you can contact us directly on our social media. Thanks for watching. See you soon.